This creamy condiment hides a truly surprising origin story. The truth behind its creation is stranger than fiction. Mayonnaise, a simple mix of eggs, oil, and acid. It's a staple in kitchens around the entire world. From sandwiches to salads, its versatility is unmatched. But have you ever pondered its unexpected historical roots? Its birth traces back to an 18th century European battlefield. Get ready to uncover Mayonnaise's fascinating culinary chemistry. Our story begins in 1756, on the island of Minorca. French forces, led by Duc de Richelieu, besieged the port. After victory, a celebratory feast was planned for the Duke. The chef sought a new sauce but lacked key ingredients. He improvised, combining olive oil and egg yolks skillfully. A touch of lemon juice and seasoning completed the mixture. This novel creation delighted Richelieu and his officers greatly. They named it Mahonnaise after the town of Mahon. This serendipitous invention quickly spread through French cuisine. But what makes these simple ingredients form a stable sauce? This is where the brilliant chemistry of emulsification comes in. Mayonnaise is a classic example of an oil-in-water emulsion. Tiny oil droplets are suspended within a watery vinegar phase. Normally, oil and water refuse to mix. They separate. The secret lies within the humble egg yolk, specifically lecithin. Lecithin acts as a powerful natural emulsifying agent here. It possesses both water-loving and oil-loving molecular ends. These unique properties allow lecithin to bridge the two phases. It forms a protective barrier around each tiny oil droplet. This barrier prevents the oil droplets from rejoining each other. Continuous whisking breaks oil into even smaller, stable particles. This creates a thick, creamy texture we all recognize. The result is a smooth, stable, homogeneous, and delicious sauce. Without lecithin, your mayonnaise would quickly break apart. From a military triumph, mayonnaise found its culinary dominion. Early recipes involved vigorous hand-whisking, a labor-intensive task. The 19th century saw its widespread adoption in cookbooks. Industrialization in the 20th century made it universally accessible. Today, countless varieties and brands fill grocery store shelves. It forms the base for aioli, tartar sauce, and many dips. Its scientific principles remain fundamental to modern food production. So, a wartime chef's ingenuity gave us this culinary icon.
Its enduring appeal is truly a testament to basic chemistry.
Understanding emulsification transforms how you view this simple condiment.
It proves that science enhances even everyday kitchen experiences.
Next time you enjoy it, remember its fascinating journey. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.